This one na update about the Fulani headsmen where the fight go scatter somewhere for Oyo State. This one wey happen for Igangan. All of us remember when one brother come outside dey para say what go happen, say things go happen. True, something don happen o. Hey people, people get mind. The kind thing wey even happen una go surprise. Make una watch the video.
We came here to come and inspect. So on our way, we stopped by at the Barapa North local government, Ayete. So this is some of the Fulani that was caught, and there were at least àwọn Yorùbá wa náà face wọn, so wọ́n ní láti mú wọn balẹ̀. Ọdún àwọn náà ṣe tiwọn náà, but èyí túmọ̀ sí pé gbogbo ẹ̀yin warriors tẹ́ bá jẹ́ Yorùbá níta nílé lẹ́yìn odi ẹ má fi gbogbo ara sùn. Ẹ̀yin sọ pé kò tí dé yàrá, kò tí dé ẹnu ọ̀nà yín, kò tí dé ẹnu ọ̀nà yín, àwọn kan ní eléyìí ṣẹlẹ̀ sí lánàá. Tó máa fi súnmọ́ tó máa mú wá fún yín tá bá ti wọnú kíní lọ nsìn gangan. Ayé tẹ̀lá wà nsìn àmọ́ máa wọnú gangan. So nìyẹn. Thank you.
Una see as they don't kill them, these Fulani headsmen. Then these Yoruba people, then this warrior, they don't come out prepared. Una yes, the man they shout that time say, war go happen, war go happen. This kind of war don't happen, no. But who can't kill them? These headsmen now, we don't know. And the people for the land, they complain, say, these headsmen, their own don't too. So sometimes, they go break inside people's house. You feel they sleep like this, they sleep, they snore. They enjoy your peaceful sleep. Some will just break, enter inside your house. And this one, nobody say they won't even come thief you. They go just use cutlass, kill you. In fact, if you dey for road, now gone. Now they use. Hey, people, you go just the person not do you anything. You just carry gun. Say you want they shoot. Why? Now Mortal Kombat game now we they play for this life. I be waiting they even happen. Anyway, as this matter be now, so people just they say these people just come. They kick. I no come know when people say come go gather. Go meet them because they thought say these headsmen they come. They plenty say they carry boss and Okada come. If like say that these Yoruba people say they don't go via juju, they don't ready. Say as now they come, we ready for now. Back to the sender as the whole thing happen. Now they catch some people, they kill them. Who can't kill them now? We don't know. And we know someone they complain about this thing. Say make una know they put love on our own hand. No matter what these people do, as now don't catch them, at least make una keep them. Go report them to police. But one of these man for this video, what's in the talk now say the last time they catch some people, say 47 people. These people hold gun and things. Say after they catch them, when they gonna carry them go this same police station. Say last, what's it gonna happen now? They release them, these people, with even the gun. No? Hey! Now wow, police. So they release them with the gun. I can't they want what thing are they release them for? If say a person thief ordinary tomato, I be pine himself, they go arrest you, put inside. Now, these ones will carry gun, shoot people. Then they can't leave them. When there be even one person, 47 people. Now get this man when they complain, they vet say, it be like say government know what thing they happen. Say for them to release these 47 people, they know about them because you know they normal. Person go thief, ordinary thief say they go arrest you, keep you. Doctors will say you can't keep us. If you keep us, they go kill yourself, join. So what can be the release of these people where they release them for? That means when they go outside, go see the kill people. Nigeria, it be like say something they worry everybody. All of us supposed sit down, think maybe they go wash our brain with hypo, clean and first before everybody will one day okay. Because the way people they do things, but these Yoruba people say, "More talking now." On our face go face them say, on ourself now they fight for our right but this one when I don't kill this person, it don't turn to wahala now because sooner or later they go to find people who kill this people and on ourself when I kill this person, they feel kill on her. I now won't come plan to do them, and now they try defending ourselves, but now here government self supposed to come outside. These people they don't complain, they shout on government, say make government can't help them. Say the killing don't they too much. Say as they go kill the KBC, they even king house, they destroy everything. But still government no come outside, can't do anything. They tell say that they work on them. That they work on them. So they boys don't come outside. People don't come outside, people don't vex. Even this person they record this thing, in their advice people say, make they know they sleep with their ear, make everybody they prepared. If na pepper spray, if na gun, make everybody go buy them. They gallant. Because anytime, now these Fulani headsmen, they come outside, and as it be, this one always say they don't even kill some of their men. Before we go see now, we go here say, all the old headsmen people don't come outside, won't come attack all these Yoruba people. Making a day vigilant, making a day ready. Because this kind of matter, bless the thing, don't they really turn into war as this man talk. People they vex, people they even para. Now what they annoy me? People they para, but I know they in support of all this violence as they kill these people. It no sweet me. But at least making a just go report. But now they fear say if na report, maybe government no go do anything. Now wetin be everybody matter. Even you yourself wey call this police say police they don't kill You go surprise say they go even carry yourself, pack you, join them the thief, where you no even know anything. Now I make people they fear, but as the matter be, I don't know. Anything where government want to make him try. Help support them. Help support them because the wahala don't dey too much. And now until they go kill everybody where they inside this go. Before government go come and say they won't come do something. And make this government even go sympathize with them, these families where they don't even kill their people, because they say they don't kill more than 25 people, more than 25. And see the people with them, they even kill them, they never even reach 5. And they don't they para, they don't they complain. People the government they complain, say what make they kill them. They know what that they see and make they kill these people. Anyway, as this matter be, now here I go end them anything way in a few, making a right time for the comment section. Then making a don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as we they get hot story for now. Anyways, I will see you on for our next video. Everybody they vex, so some angry youths don't go burn one prominent chief. They burn in house, burn in hotel, they even burn in shrine. All because of say waiting. They talk say this man go shoot person. These youths now where they talk say they're from Ajawa town for Ogoluwa local government for Oyo state. Them say this man have been a king, have been whoever him be. Say this man carries stray bullet, have been a stray bullet. They shoot one of the residents for the place. Now, the say people gather there say that they protest about the things where they happen for that town. Say every day now they kidnap person. Say even their chief imam self, they murder them for that place. And say 9 people don't miss since when they inside this town. And say now Fulani headsmen, now they do all these kind of things. And say if they even kidnap you, if you no pay, they no go release you. Now there these youths come outside, they vex, they para, say things don't they overspoil. Say they won't come outside, they won't vex, they won't go talk. Now there they can't go, this man where they call Ade Master, this prominent chief, they can't go in front of the house, say, now there, they won't go do this protest. As they stay there, they do the thing. I don't know what it leads to another. We just hear say, the man don't shoot gun. Where the gun don't go meet one of the residents. How this thing they happen? Yeah, they feel say something ain't go cause this thing for person. For this kind gun shooting to come happen. Because person no go just they say, you can't they protest for front of the house. Now there, they can't carry gun shoot the person. And I hear say this Ade Master, they try run for kingship. As you know, so this kind of Yoruba people, they always run. Maybe if your papa die, you say go to say won't be king. Say now so say this man they try run for kingship. But as this matter don't happen, as boys don't vex. Say they don't even burn everything. This man and his family, everybody don't jackpot, come out from Oyo State. They don't run because they don't think and say, they don't go fit stay this kind of place. The way where people they vex. Say they don't go fit stay. So all of them don't run. But when they look and say, this burning way in a burn this place, shouldn't that be the solution? That will not go change anything now. Because if this man even come as king, or be whatever he won't come become, now I go suffer this thing. No? Now I go suffer now because money we supposed use. They do road, they do things for now. He go use and build this in palace back. But as now don't destroy a house now, where now want make him go? This man now well of now come outside they do. In fact, the only thing where this protest don't teach us now to how to bomb things. Since then, nothing where they do. They didn't do any better thing. Now to they burn things now they sabi. Anyways, as this matter be, I know as I want to judge them. The only thing make we they relax. Youth make now they calm down. If now they do things, make now they take in our time. Don't be matter of say, gra now we'll go burn this one, burn that one. Before now I can't decide say, now I don't clear. Now I can't they suffer the thing. Anyway, as it be, make now don't forget to comment, like, and also subscribe to this video. Stay tuned for the next story.